So this is our last video for week 7, and I'm starting at slides 24. And it's also the instructions for the homework assignment called Employee Evaluations, Dealing with Employee Conflict, which is due February 28. And for those of you watching, and you started at the very first slide, and I hope I'm remembering to announce in class, note and remember that I'm very flexible about this due date. If you would like an extra week to get it submitted, just send me an email and I'm happy to give you an extension so that you can take a bit of a break from doing some stuff over a reading week. Okay, there's two options here. The first one is talking about the supervisor responsibilities to give feedback to your staff. So in this scenario, you are a new supervisor and you have some young people, some field placement students in the CPA program, and they're working for you and you need to give them some feedback. So what I want you to do is use any of the resources provided or stuff you find on your own. And you scroll down the page on the assignment and you'll see them listed, some ideas of places to look. And you can tell me what the major headings are that you would use on some kind of an evaluation report template, right, to give feedback to the interns. So your submission length, I'm only looking for 100 to 200 words. Just put it in the comments box, or you can record something and upload it to YouTube and give me the YouTube length. That's fine too. Cite the source that you used at the end of your answer. So I want to know that you looked at some of the resources or you found some research. The other option, your choice again, is to do a case study. And this one is, how would you deal with conflict in the workplace? So I did have you look at that coaching video and the 6 steps to dealing with conflict. I encourage you to look at those again. And here's a little scenario. 2 people aren't getting along at work. So as the supervisor, how would you deal with it? So tell me an idea that you learned in some of your research, some of the works that we did in class or that are linked in the slides. And I'm looking for about 200 words. Okay, a couple of paragraphs that describe what you would do. And again, just submit it in the comments box in DC Connect, or you can submit it as a video, your choice. All right, thanks so much. And again, I hope everyone has a relaxing and safe reading week. Bye-bye.